Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying access. Sign into your Rockstar Social Club on a desktop browser and confirm which Steam account is linked. Once done, open Steam and locate your Steam ID 64 from your profile URL. This identifies the specific account. Make sure to back up local save files and keep the email addresses for both accounts handy, because Rockstar requires verification. If you cannot access either account, stop here and recover credentials. Moving forward without access will block relinking. Now navigate to Social Club settings and open connected accounts. Locate the Steam entry and choose Unlink. You will be prompted to verify via password or email. Follow those prompts and confirm the action. Rockstar sends an email confirmation, so check spam folders. If the Unlink button is grayed out or requires support, gather proof of ownership such as purchase receipts or the original creation date, because Rockstar support may require that before they forcibly remove the link for you. Finally, sign into the Steam account you want linked and return to Social Club connected accounts to add Steam. Authorize the connection when Steam prompts. After linking, launch the game once to trigger Cloud Sync and confirm your Social Club profile reflects the change. If you encounter errors, make sure both accounts have two-factor authentication settings compatible, clear browser and Rockstar launcher cache, and retry. If problems persist, contact Rockstar support with your proof of ownership and the Unlink confirmation email to expedite resolution.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.